Migration is one of the hottest topics booming around, and with so much information floating around, it's obvious that we fall for the myths. So in today's episode 7 of Let's Talk Careers, we're gonna talk about the myths floating around. Today I have Mr. Pratik Patel, Registered Migration Agent and Director at Ozis Credwell. Welcome, sir.
Afternoon, Bhavna. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir? So we'll continue for the most common myths floating around. So myth 1, any course in Australia will lead to PR.
Well, it's not true because every course has a career pathway. Okay, so that career pathway has to align with the skill occupation list और के ऊपर PR का progress भी हो. Okay, so random diploma or masters आपने कर लिया, that will help you in terms of education, but not necessarily कि भाई migration के लिए आप कुछ भी पढ़ रहे हो, that will lead to your PR.
So this is definitely a myth, right?
Yeah, it's always I would recommend कि wise to seek an advice from the migration agent or professionals.
Right. Moving to myth 2, sir. So some students are saying regional areas mean outback with no opportunities.
नहीं, first of all क्या है कि you need to understand the definition of regional,
Right.
because Australia is very wide.
Correct.
So जैसे बात करो like let's say for example Gold Coast, okay? So Gold Coast, you have been there, you won't feel that you are in outback.
True.
Okay, so
I
Perth
think
हो
it
गया.
depends on person to person that how
Correct.
well they are exploring.
That's true. So like Gold Coast हो गया, Perth हो गया, even the Adelaide. Okay, so if we talk about South Australia,
Right.
the whole state is a regional. Okay,
Right.
but they have divided like outer regional and normal.
Okay.
So not that regional means आपने वो जंगल में जाके रहना है और वहीं पे आपका फ्यूचर बनाना है. So it's completely myth.
So this myth is again proven, right?
Yes.
Okay, don't fall for the trap, guys. Moving ahead with myth 3, you don't need work experience if you study in Australia.
नहीं.
How true it is?
It's somewhat true, and if I say like कि work experience, it depends on the what occupation. Okay. For example, आपके पास कुछ occupation ऐसे होते हैं कि without work experience you won't even get the skill assessment.
Right.
So skill assessment अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो then basically you are handicapped. Okay. If in terms of general skill migration, जैसे 189 visa, 190, 491 की बात हो गई, तो skill assessment नहीं है तो you can't even do the step 1. Secondly, अगर जैसे employer nomination की बात करें, तो that is all purely based on the work experience. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई सिर्फ आपने यहाँ पे पढ़ाई की हुई है. That means you don't need a work experience. You mostly at least 90 to 95% of occupation you need a work experience.
And I think, sir, anyhow it's preferred to work.
Correct, yeah, because it will benefit you eventually in a both way, like in terms of career pathway and a PR pathway.
Right.
Yeah.
Going ahead with myth 4, agents can guarantee PR.
Well, if you hear this, I would recommend bhago.
Oh my God.
Like run if you can.
Yeah.
Because agent can't guarantee a PR. Okay, agent का काम क्या है कि basically we can help you, we can guide you the path. At the end of the day, it's individuals like आपकी खुद की capability ऊपर है.
बिल्कुल.
So if someone's saying कि भाई भावना मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूँ कि आपका PR हो जाएगा, so it's a completely.
क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स से जैसे यूजुअली आके सेम चीज पूछते हैं कि मैम आप गारंटी दे सकते हो इस कोर्स की कि हाँ PR होगा ही होगा. तो
देखो अभी इमिग्रेशन की बात करें तो इट्स वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स. वो कीप चेंजिंग.
ट्रू.
अभी मैंने फॉर एग्जांपल आपको कुछ एडवाइस दी थी, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल क्या आप सच एंड सच कोर्स पढ़ लो. ओके, 2 साल के बाद या 1 साल के बाद इफ द पॉलिसीज चेंज देन
nobody can guarantee.
Correct.
That was indeed helpful, sir. So before we wind up the session, I like to ask for an expert 1-minute tip.
टिप तो यही होगी भावना, सभी को पता है बिकॉज इवन प्लस AI भी आ गया है, तो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन आउट देयर, वीडियोस
सोशल मीडिया
पे है. करेक्ट, बट मेरा यही कहना है कि लाइक इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू चेक विद प्रोफेशनल्स. ओके, लाइक इफ यू हैव सीन इट समवेयर और इफ यू हैव रेड इट समवेयर, आई वुड रेकमेंड कि आप किसी प्रोफेशनल से एक बार एडवाइस करो. ओके, बिकॉज माइग्रेशन का जो ट्रेंड अभी हमने देखा है इन लास्ट 1 year और 2 years की बात करें, yes, correct, so it keeps on changing, and sometimes a small mistake because आपने कहीं पे सुना था या कहीं पे देखा था, that could lead you a big disaster, because there are so many small things that you have to be taking care of.
Perfect. Thank you so much, sir. That was really helpful. So thank you for helping us clearing so many myths about the migration rolling around. Do comment that what is the biggest myth you have heard about migration, and I, Bhavna, sitting at Ozis Credwell office, is available to help you finding your right career pathways along with our migration team. Do reach out in the meantime. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhavna. Have a
Thank
lovely
you, sir.
afternoon.
Thank you.